Hi everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The biggest worry for crypto investors right now is that will Binance is also going to crash like FTX? Because if Binance ends, it will be the worst of crypto world never seen before. This tension mood is arising because the daily withdrawal of Binance has reached $8 billion because of FUD when I am making this video. FTX, which was one of the biggest crypto exchange, collapsed after CZ tweeted and FUD was created because the daily withdrawal limit reached to $6 billion, which even FTX was not able to tolerate for one night and went bankrupt. Due to this, there was a sharp drop in the price of BNB. In this video, I will tell you that in spite of all this, the end of the Binance is almost impossible until and unless they do something extraordinarily stupid. To understand this thing, watch the video till the end so that you do not feel this fear again ever while trading that what would happen to Binance. So the first thing I want to say is that Binance is not going anywhere. In last 7 to 8 years, a lot of FUD came and went, but Binance is still standing strong, which makes them the most experienced to survive all crypto winters. Also, CZ is a very smart guy with master plans which we have no idea about. So I will present some facts. Number 1. BNB is the world's largest blockchain by active daily users with 1.125 million users. Even Ethereum and Polygon Matic combined can't even compete it together. Number 2. Where other exchanges are hiding behind to show their proof of reserves, Binance came forward and showed a list of proof of reserves which was alleged to be not transparent and fairly audited. But when people actually went to see the amount of reserves on blockchain, it was showing double what they are quoting, which is truly crazy. When all the other exchanges started collapsing, CZ tweeted that move your funds to a decentralized hot wallet like Trust Wallet, which is a very famous wallet, and that is also owned by Binance only. So when the price of this coin shot up, the one who was enjoying this was Binance again. Number 4. Right now, everyone is bursting in the market because of the $8 billion withdrawal limit that has reached at Binance, which exchange like FTX could not handle for a single day. But once you see these stats, everything changes. For CZ, it's not even the top withdrawal of this year. The biggest one was for Luna crash. And after all this, CZ tweeted, business as usual. Number 5. If you look at this data, you will be amazed that other exchanges have released their proof of reserve, and even if you add all of them, they are still not even near Binance. So even if they are attacking Binance altogether, they can't do much about it. After all this FUD, CZ knew that market will crash and BNB will also crash sharply. But right after the crash, BNB recovered very fast the same day. Who do you think would have bought their coins back at cheaper price? They might be making money oversell by creating panic for a thing which might be more valuable than we all know about crypto right now. So these are my viewpoints for Binance, and I think CZ might be playing a mastermind game as he is an ultimate businessman. And in bear market, they are milking money from everywhere. So that's why I think Binance is not going anywhere for now. In fact, Binance was well prepared for all these games and was always 2 steps ahead. So that will be from my side in this video. Vijay Saran signing off.